Hello, welcome to the Compass and Compass Red training video. My name is David Beza, and I will be guiding you through this training video. Compass and Compass Red are designed to allow integrators to install and optimize Cel-Fi cellular and public safety equipment. This will allow for faster and better installs. Compass and Compass Red are the scanning modules, so they're the actual hardware. The software to control the Compass and also perform other tasks is the WAVE PRO application. For Android devices, this is available on the Play Store, and for iOS devices, this is available in the App Store. So let's go ahead and jump in here. So we'll launch the WAVE PRO application. Now this is going to use Bluetooth to communicate with your Compass device. So first it's going to search the environment. I found my Compass here, the first one in the list, so it's going to connect to it. Now I have the opportunity to name my device. So I can call this Compass. So now I've named my device. Now if you go into the settings, the hamburger button at the top, it will show the app version, also the Compass version, that is the embedded software inside of the device. Under settings, you can see the battery level. You can rename your device and update that if necessary. We also show the SIM card and the operator that it would be connected to. So we will review the SIM card testing capabilities. There's the IMEI number of the actual modem that's inside the Compass. And then for your mobile network testing, you can do a data test. There's a field for the APN and username or password if your SIM requires it. So you see there the Quattro Red installation package download. In the Quattro Red commissioning video, you can review how to download the installation packages and also configure your Quattro Red system. So for cellular installations, we have antenna pointing, and then we have full signal report and grid testing. So we have the cellular capabilities and also the Quattro Red public safety capabilities. So we'll get more into the Compass Red. Initially, we'll start with some of the Compass features, and then we will add the public safety P25 LMR frequencies. Again, thank you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, and we look forward to helping you and your customers enjoy public safety and cellular service.